Okay.
She sees us?
Do you see me waving? I'm jumping.
I don't think anybody sees me.
And they're
Look at me. I'm in a window. I'm in a window. Take a good hard look. I'm in a window. In a window. Where? Who could this be?
Okay, so were you at that end?
yeah. I turned left.
Yeah.
I was coming down from there. I was like,
Hey.
Like, stop it. But I thought. I was like, man.
yeah.
You said Godfather's Pizza, and I was like, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Brian, Pourquoi?
To record the fireworks. I think Cassie's dad said they're
The
shooting off
Facebook
either
thumbs
$1 million or $2 million for fireworks.
Wow.
This is my home.
Facebook.
Whitey.
Come here, Heidi.
See? Look, sister's not covering her ears.
See, sister knows what's loud. Look, can you hear me? They're gonna do a heart. They're gonna do a heart and a smiley face.
Do you have a flashlight app?
Yeah, I do actually.
She's holding onto my back pretty hard.
I bet.
I got some fucking
Whoa.
Come here, Heidi. Why are you scared? They're gonna do a heart one.
Hey Heidi, look at the light.
Look at Brian. Say cheese.
Say happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day.
Oh, I thought that was somebody else with the light. Look at that, we're in trouble. Come here.
Oh.
Come here, Heidi. Come sit with me.
Whoa, that is very bright.
Yeah.
It's LED.
That's the best.
Look, Heidi, they did the heart. You gotta watch.
Oh, Brian.
They did lips.
It lives.
Yeah, you didn't see it.
I didn't see it.
No? Maybe I was saying. Right, if you shine that on me while I'm not sweaty and nasty in your box. Sherry, that's right. Wait a minute, no, sit here and watch with me. I want to come and watch. Look at
Wow.
That's very bright. Double LED lights.
You see that one?
She's got me tight.
I bet.
Like her legs.
Yeah.
There's fireworks over.
Yeah, last year she was too little.
Yep.
Do you hear that echo over there? It's like,
Why are you scared? Look.
Heidi, I'm afraid of fireworks too. Did you know that?
Brandy's scared of them. You see, they're far away.
That's why I'm okay with them.
Yeah, because they're far away, so you don't have to plug your ears, baby.
Now, if we were closer, I'd be terrified.
But it's not real loud. And then a fire.
Yeah, did you see that flaming ember going to the ground?
Nope, not yet.
The train. Brian?
Oh, Brian.
You better go away. You better go away.
Oh,
Brian, Adam.
Stop!
he get you too?
That one was a pig.
Say,
And purple, right? And orange and yellow. Okay, that scares me. That's why we're back here, Brady.
I know. It's a good thing.
I'm safe. Mommy, I'm safe. Okay.
Okay, you ready to get back up there? You want mommy? Or you want to stay with me? Or do you want daddy? Look, there's daddy. You want daddy? No? Okay. She's scared. She goes, here we go.
What was that?
Wow. Oh, yeah. That's neat. It just like went straight line.
Wow.
Listen to that thunder. What is that?
I love when it looks like it's coming for you, you know?
I don't.
I do. I know you do.
Ooh, pretty. I don't like it when they're falling down like that.
Yep.